Hello adik-adik, this is Raj Kumari. Thanks for using Raj English Corner. I'm very excited to be here and I look forward to meeting you in my class. Saya sangat senang berada di sini dan saya berharap dapat bertemu dengan adik-adik di kelas saya. Today, I'm just going to teach you about an extremely important basic verb in English called the verb to be. Hari ini adik-adik, kita akan membahas kata kerja dasar yang teramat penting dalam bahasa Inggris, yaitu the verb to be. Jadi adik-adik, topik kita hari ini adalah the affirmative of the verb to be in the simple present tense. Let's get started. Do you know adik-adik that the verb to be is the first basic verb you ever learn in English? Apakah adik-adik tahu bahwa the verb to be adalah kata kerja dasar pertama yang adik-adik pelajari dalam bahasa Inggris? And do you know that a great many people who are really advanced speakers still make mistakes using the verb to be? Dan apakah adik-adik tahu bahwa banyak orang yang benar-benar pembicara tingkat lanjut masih melakukan kesalahan dalam menggunakan verb to be? The verb to be is used a lot in English. Thus, it is very important to learn the form. Kata kerja to be adik-adik banyak digunakan dalam bahasa Inggris. Dengan demikian, penting sekali untuk mempelajari bentuknya. What are the forms of the verb to be in the simple present tense, adik-adik? Apa saja bentuk kata kerja to be dalam present tense, adik-adik? Mari kita lihat. The verb to be adik-adik appears in three forms in the simple present tense. Kata kerja to be muncul dalam tiga bentuk dalam simple present tense. What are they? The three forms of the verb to be are 1, am, 2, is, and 3, are. Yang artinya adalah ada atau adalah. Jadi adik-adik, kata kerja to be ada tiga bentuk. Yang pertama adalah am, kedua adalah is, dan yang ketiga adalah are. How is the verb to be used? In its usage, the verb to be is often combined with subject pronouns. What are subject pronouns? Subject pronouns means kata ganti orang. Dalam penggunaannya, adik-adik, kata kerja to be digabungkan dengan subject pronouns, yaitu kata ganti orang, such as I, yaitu saya, you, yaitu kamu, he, dia, biasanya digunakan untuk boy, yaitu anak laki-laki atau man, pria dewasa. She, dia, biasanya digunakan untuk girl, yaitu anak perempuan, atau woman, wanita dewasa. It, biasanya digunakan untuk warn of something that is not a person, yaitu sesuatu yang bukan berupa orang, misalnya hewan, tumbuhan, atau benda mati. We, yaitu kami. You, yaitu kalian. And they, yaitu mereka. Now, here's the affirmative form of the verb to be combined with subject pronouns. Berikut adalah bentuk positif dari kata kerja to be yang digabung dengan kata ganti orang. Let's take a look. I plus am makes I am. You plus are makes you are. He plus is makes he is. She plus is makes she is. It plus is makes it is. We plus are makes we are. You plus are makes you are. They plus are makes they are. Now, let's do a little practice. I am means saya adalah atau saya ada. I am I am. I am. I am Raj. Saya adalah Raj. I am on the balcony. Saya ada di balkon. Next is you are. Kamu adalah atau kamu ada. Please repeat after me. You are. You are. You are. You are Charlotte. Kamu adalah Charlotte. You are in the living room. Kamu ada di ruang tamu. Next is he is. Dia adalah atau dia ada. Please repeat after me. He is. He is. He is. He is James. Dia adalah James. He is in the dining room. Dia ada di ruang makan. Next is she is. Dia adalah atau dia ada. Please repeat after me. She is. She is. She is. She is Ella. Dia adalah Ella. She is in the bathroom. Dia ada di kamar mandi. It is. Dia adalah atau dia ada. Please repeat after me. It is. It is. It is. It is Blackie. Dia adalah Blackie. It is in the garage. Dia ada di garasi. Next is we are. Kami adalah atau kami ada. Please repeat after me. We are. We are. We are. We are Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Kami adalah Tuan dan Nyonya Smith. We are in the family room. Kami ada di ruang keluarga. Next is you are. Kalian adalah atau kalian ada. Please repeat after me. You are. You are. You are. You are Mr. and Mrs. Ferguson. Kalian adalah Tuan dan Nyonya Ferguson. You are in the kitchen. Kalian ada di dapur. Next one is they are. Mereka adalah atau mereka ada. Please repeat after me. They are. They are. They are. They are John and Mary. Mereka adalah John and Mary. They are in the cupboard. Mereka ada di garasi atap tiang. Now, on your own, please test yourself. Write in the correct forms of the verb to be. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Would you like to check your answers? I makes I am. You makes you are. He makes he is. She makes she is. It makes it is. We makes we are. You makes you are. They makes they are. Here is another exercise adik-adik to test your understanding. Please translate these sentences into English. Terjemahkanlah kalimat-kalimat ini ke dalam bahasa Inggris. Saya Mary. Saya ada di halaman belakang. I am Mary. I am in the backyard. Kamu Lisa. Kamu ada di teras. You are Lisa. You are on the terrace. Dia John. Dia ada di ruang hiburan. He is John. He is in the entertainment room. Dia Linda. Dia ada di ruang karaoke. She is Linda. She is in the karaoke room. Dia adalah Blackie. Dia ada di atap rumah. It is Blackie. It is on the roof of the house. Or, he is Blackie. He is on the roof of the house. Jadi adik-adik, bila Blackie adalah hewan peliharaan kita, kita bisa memuliakannya dengan menggunakan he is Blackie. He is on the roof of the house. Vincent dan saya ada di lantai atas. Kami ada di ruang belajar. Vincent and I are upstairs. We are in the study. Kamu dan Peter ada di lantai bawah. Kalian ada di kamar tidur. You and Peter are downstairs. You are in the bedroom. Mereka adalah Robert dan Karen. Mereka ada di luar rumah. They are Robert and Karen. They are outside the house. Anjing itu ada di atap rumah. Dia ada di atap rumah. The dog is on the roof of the house. It is on the roof of the house. Anjing-anjing itu ada di belakang rumah. Mereka ada di belakang rumah. The dogs are at the back of the house. They are at the back of the house. Lisa, Mike, dan Peter ada di depan rumah. Mereka ada di depan rumah. Lisa, Mike, and Peter are in front of the house. They are in front of the house. That's it, adik-adik. You did great. Good job. Stop the video and try again one more time. Hentikan video dan cobalah sekali lagi. I promise it will get easier each time you practice. Semuanya akan menjadi lebih mudah setiap kali Anda berlatih sekali lagi. So adik-adik, if your target is fluency, yaitu kelancaran, try again one more time, and one more time, and one more time. Cobalah sekali lagi, dan sekali lagi, dan sekali lagi. And please don't move to our next video until you have mastered this topic. Dan jangan lanjut ke video selanjutnya sampai Anda sudah menguasai topik ini. Bye for now adik-adik. See you in the next video. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Love you loads.